It's like an Oak Grove Elementary.
Tommy's trying to keep the mascot safe. We're putting it up there.
Hey, from now on we're keeping that up there when we film the show.
Is that even in the frame?
Take it,
Is it?
Take it.
Hold on, wait. Is it in the shot?
Don't touch that!
Some
Put it where it was.
what?
What are you doing?
It's a video for this channel. Where'd he go?
Dude, we should put that out there. Here's what happened when you come to Kennedy.
We're gonna slice the studio in like 10 minutes.
No, you should get.
This is what happens when you come to Kennedy. You get stabbed in the
Rebels-
head.
Rebels pom poms.
Dude, I'm using that on Friday for my
Pom
golden
poms,
birthday.
dude. This is mine.
I bet it is.
Find the eagle.
Find the eagle, yeah. Every week we put it in a random part. No, you know what we should do?
It doesn't always have to
Like-
be here though. Like it's in an interview.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Like, we should randomly hide the eagle in like an interview somewhere, or like during the anchors, or even like during the news. Like, just randomly throw the eagle somewhere, like in the background. Yeah.
This thing's head is twice the size of its body. This is physically not possible.
It's Japanese. What do you expect?
This thing would be dead by now because the head is like.
Yo, you should
Tape.
get a jaguar.
You should dance for our intro. No, you should be our outro and have the credits play over you.
Stuffed animal and like cut it up.
Jaguar.
Yeah, stuffed
Really, we really need to change this. Hold on, no. Oh crap, I'm stripping the cord.
animal. What cord is that?
I don't know. This is what everybody sees when they're interviewing. Text is right there. Actually, the whole school is right there, if you think about it. Bright lights that blind you. People in the background watching you. Him being a nice little cheerleader for us.
Hey, I don't need this much attention, you know that?
Then why are you holding pom-poms on the stage?
Oh, the bird dropped.
Oh, poor bird. Got the bird.
I should hide behind you before the interview and then come out.
Oh, that'd be funny.
And then just
Hide behind the chair
Why is there birds?
and just pop your head out like.
No, I should just pop out.
Halfway through the interview, just pop your head out.
Yeah, you watch iCarly when they go like random dancing.
Yeah.
Oh, look
Yeah,
at
no one
my
likes
Carly.
Oh yeah.
iCarly, man, he doesn't watch.
Luckman loves iCarly.
I just don't watch it.
Uh huh. Whatever you say. What are you guys doing?
I'm watching sports here. I'm getting sports scores for the week.
Are we even doing that? That's what we're supposed to.
Get it?
Really? Let's use this instead of Party Rock Anthem.
Or you can use my new song called Mobile Beds.
How long is it?
Like 50 seconds.
We need like 5 minutes.
I can extend it.
Why not?
Because it's copyright.
No, it's but it's not on the show though. It's the
Hey, Brandon.
it's the prologue kind of.
Working, man.
Huh?
Why is this working?
No, I'm f***ing. I'm messing with you. Yeah.
What happened, man?
And it doesn't work. I just realized I swore in this, so I can't put this on the Impact channel. I have to put this on my channel. I just said. I have to put this on my channel now. Dang it.
Paul.
Why is this out of focus?
Paul. What if this breaks?
Then you fall on your ass and it's on YouTube.
What? Tommy. Tommy, guess what?
Oh.
You would have been dead.
Tommy, you just ruined this. Now this has to go on my personal channel. It can't go on the Kennedy TV or Kennedy Impact.
You can bleep whatever I said out.
I'm gonna actually bleep it, just for
Need
fun.
a keyboard.
There's a new one in the back.
We should get
We're-
touchscreen.
Yes, a touchscreen, man.
Dude, we should get a smart board for
Oh
weather.
yes.
Just be like,
Oh,
That would be amazing.
weather.
Weather. That last moment was just Tommy's epiphany.
Yeah, I came up with the idea.
Half
Because you could just
half the
go
teachers
to
don't have smart
go
boards.
to it, push it, and be like weather. It just
Weather. Weather.
There you
Tom's it.
In my head, I can't.
The ugly dude behind the camera.
There's my song if you want to hear.
Your song? Let's play this.
Hey, you should wear the pom-poms.
That's not really that great for a.
No, it gets good.
It gets well, no, like it has to be a mellow type thing because people are just sitting there before the show. People are gonna get annoyed by that if they have to listen to it for 5 minutes. What the heck? Which camera is this? What camera is that? I have no idea. I don't know. I have to edit this, bleep out all the stupidity, and then upload this to the Kennedy Impact channel. I am set by making music. That's so stupid. We need a keyboard. There's one right here. Here is the final show. If anybody cares. Sneak peek. Well, this video is going to go up after people see it. So, intro, first story. Actually, all this is the first story. Spotlight, then a stupid commercial, and then it's over. That's what it takes to make a show. And of course, all this junk. That's about 10 years outdated. So, you can say bye to the camera.